Hey there, recent graduates and aspiring entrepreneurs. Congratulations on crossing that stage and grabbing that diploma. But hold on tight, because your journey is far from over. Today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to many of you: how to launch a successful small business after college. The first step in your post-college journey is identifying what truly makes your heart race. We're talking about passion exploration. Start by listing your interests, hobbies, and skills. What gets you excited? Your business should align with your passion. Now let's talk about idea generation. Now that you have your passion, it's time to brainstorm business ideas around it. What problems can you solve? What needs can you address? And section 2 is about market research and planning. This is where you lay the foundation for your business. You need to know your audience and research your target market. Understand their needs, preferences, and behaviors. You need to do competitive analysis. Study your competitors. What are they doing well? And where can you differentiate? What about a business plan? Create a solid business plan. Outline your goals, strategies, financial projection, and operational details. Let's talk about how to secure those initial funds. Have you thought about bootstrapping? Start with your savings and resources. Many successful businesses began with minimal investment. How about crowdfunding and grants? Explore crowdfunding platforms and grants that align with your business idea. Investors and loans. Pitch your idea to angel investors or consider small business loans if needed. Now get ready for section 4, which consists of building your brand and online presence. In the digital age, this is where your business truly takes shape. What's your brand identity? You need to craft a memorable brand identity, like your logo, your colors, and a compelling brand story. Website and social media. You need to create a professional website and establish a strong presence on social media platforms. Now, have you thought about your content strategy? You need to develop a content plan to engage your audience through blog posts, videos, and social media updates. Now, in section 5 is where we launch and where we grow. It's time to introduce your business to the world and watch it flourish. Start with a soft launch to test your product or service with a smaller audience. Now, let's talk about marketing campaign. You need to plan a robust marketing campaign to create a buzz and create customers. Listen to your customer feedback and continuously improve your offerings. And there you have it, recent graduates. Launching a successful business after college may seem like a daunting task, but with passion, planning, and persistence, you've got the winning formula. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere. Embrace the challenges, learn from your experiences, and never stop dreaming big. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable insights on entrepreneurship and business success. Until next time, go out there, conquer the world, one business venture at a time. Thank you.